Have you ever wondered if your stomach could be controlling your mood? Have you ever experienced stress and suddenly your gut starts acting up? It might sound confusing, but there's a powerful and fascinating link between your gut and your brain. The question is, could your gut be influencing your mental health more than you think? In this video, we'll explore the gut-brain axis, a communication pathway that shows how what happens in your stomach impacts your mood, anxiety, and mental clarity. We'll look at how gut bacteria can change how you feel, what foods can improve your gut health, and the role of probiotics and prebiotics in boosting brain function. By the end, you'll understand why taking care of your gut is crucial for your mental health. Let's dive in. The gut-brain axis refers to the complex communication system that exists between your gut and your brain. This axis is responsible for the two-way communication between your central nervous system, your brain and spinal cord, and your enteric nervous system, which is your gut's own nervous system. In fact, your gut is often referred to as the second brain because it contains about 100 million neurons, a number only surpassed by the brain itself. One of the most important components of the gut-brain axis is the vagus nerve, the longest nerve in the body, which connects your brain to your digestive system. When your gut is inflamed or imbalanced, it can send signals to your brain, potentially leading to mood disorders, stress, or even depression. But how significant is this connection? A 2021 study by Dr. Elena Ilieva, published in Nature Microbiology, revealed that individuals with a healthy gut microbiome were 35% less likely to experience mood disorders compared to those with an imbalanced gut. This shows that the health of your gut can directly affect how you feel. Not only does it influence your mood, but it also plays a role in cognitive functions like memory and concentration. When your gut is out of balance, it can trigger stress responses, which can in turn affect your brain. Furthermore, neurotransmitters produced in the gut, such as serotonin, play a critical role in regulating mood. A staggering 90% of serotonin is produced in the gut, not in the brain, which means that your digestive system has a major role in how happy or anxious you feel. If your gut is unhealthy, serotonin production can drop, potentially leading to feelings of sadness or irritability. On top of that, inflammatory cytokines, which are molecules involved in immune responses, can also be released by an unhealthy gut. These cytokines can cross the blood-brain barrier, leading to neuroinflammation, which has been linked to depression and anxiety. So the gut-brain axis is more than just a communication line. It's a vital part of your emotional and cognitive well-being. Let's dig deeper into the role of gut bacteria, also known as the microbiome. Your gut is home to trillions of bacteria, both good and bad. These bacteria are crucial in maintaining your gut's balance, aiding digestion, and even influencing your immune system. But recent research has shown that gut bacteria also play a significant role in regulating mood and anxiety. For example, a 2023 study by Professor Michael Anderson, published in the Journal of Psychiatric Research, showed that people with diverse and healthy gut microbiomes were 40% less likely to develop anxiety-related disorders than those with imbalanced microbiomes. The study also noted that participants with less diverse gut bacteria had a 25% higher likelihood of experiencing anxiety symptoms. This highlights the importance of maintaining a balanced microbiome for mental stability. When the balance between good and bad bacteria in your gut is disrupted, a condition known as dysbiosis, your brain can suffer. Dysbiosis can lead to increased production of stress hormones like cortisol, which can trigger or worsen feelings of anxiety. Cortisol, often called the stress hormone, has been found to rise significantly in individuals with gut imbalances. In fact, Dr. Sarah Collins's 2022 research published in Psychoneuroendocrinology showed that participants who increased their intake of probiotics, which promote the growth of good gut bacteria, experienced a 20% reduction in cortisol levels over an 8-week period. These findings suggest that restoring balance to the gut can have profound effects on reducing stress and anxiety levels. Specific strains of bacteria, like Lactobacillus and Bifidobacterium, have been shown to positively influence mental health. These strains can reduce symptoms of stress and anxiety, and their presence in the gut correlates with better mental resilience. This connection opens up the possibility of using probiotics as a treatment option for anxiety and depression. A 2023 study by Dr. Emily Lee, published in the Journal of Neuroscience, found that people who took Lactobacillus supplements daily for 3 months reported a 30% improvement in mood stability. This underscores how closely gut health is tied to our mental state. What can you do to support your gut microbiome and, in turn, your mental health? The answer is in the foods you eat. A diet rich in probiotics and prebiotics can help maintain a healthy balance of gut bacteria, which is essential for brain function and emotional well-being. Fermented foods like yogurt, kimchi, sauerkraut, and kefir are excellent sources of probiotics, which introduce beneficial bacteria into your gut. In a 2020 study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, Professor James Stewart found that participants who consumed fermented foods regularly were 30% more likely to have stable mental health than those who did not include fermented foods in their diet. Prebiotic foods, on the other hand, are non-digestible fibers that feed your gut bacteria, helping them thrive. Foods like onions, garlic, leeks, and whole grains act as fertilizer for the good bacteria in your gut. A 2022 study by Dr. Emily Matthews in the British Journal of Nutrition found that people who consumed prebiotic-rich foods daily experienced a 22% increase in gut microbiome diversity. This diversity is crucial, as it was linked to an 18% reduction in depression symptoms in the study's participants. Whole grains, like oats, barley, and quinoa, are also important prebiotic sources that support gut health. They provide the necessary fiber for your gut bacteria to flourish. A balanced diet, high in fiber, has been linked to lower rates of depression and anxiety. A 2021 study by Dr. Rachel Kiefer, published in Gut Health Journal, demonstrated that participants who followed a high-fiber diet experienced a 15% reduction in overall anxiety levels. These findings make it clear, what you eat doesn't just affect your waistline, it affects your mind as well. By incorporating more fermented and fiber-rich foods into your diet, you can nourish both your gut and brain for better mental well-being. Now, let's look at how probiotics and prebiotics can specifically support brain health. Probiotics, which are live beneficial bacteria, help restore balance in the gut and have a direct impact on reducing stress and improving cognitive function. Prebiotics, on the other hand, act as food for these bacteria, ensuring that they can thrive and continue to support your mental health. Several studies have demonstrated the positive effects of probiotics on brain function. One notable study published in Frontiers in Neuroscience in 2021 showed that individuals who took a probiotic supplement for 12 weeks experienced a 25% increase in memory and attention span, compared to a placebo group. These findings suggest that probiotics don't just support gut health, they can also enhance cognitive performance. Similarly, prebiotics have been shown to increase brain-derived neurotrophic factor, or BDNF, a protein associated with learning, memory, and overall brain health. A 2022 study led by Dr. Oliver Finn, published in the Journal of Brain Research, showed that participants who consumed prebiotics daily had a 20% increase in BDNF levels, correlating with improved mental clarity and focus. Together, probiotics and prebiotics form a powerful duo for enhancing gut health and promoting mental clarity. By maintaining a healthy balance of bacteria in the gut, they help regulate mood, reduce stress, and improve cognitive function. Incorporating probiotic and prebiotic-rich foods into your daily routine is a simple yet effective way to support both gut and brain health. So, can your gut really affect your mental health? Absolutely. The gut-brain connection is a vital part of your overall well-being, and taking care of your gut can lead to improvements in mood, anxiety, and even cognitive performance. By understanding the gut-brain axis, nurturing your microbiome, and incorporating probiotics and prebiotics into your diet, you can take significant steps toward improving both your physical and mental health. Remember, a happy gut equals a happy brain. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and remember, your health matters.